the story of Skipper Parley, who loves to fly kites. And there he is, and there's his kite. Come here, Bubba. Come here. Skip, come. You got your kite up, buddy? You got your kite up? Let us see. Yes, you do. Look, there's your string. And we follow it all the way up. And there's your kite. What a good boy. Tim loves to fly kites. Yeah. Are you having fun, Bubba? Yeah. There it is. Skipper Parley, the dog who loves to fly kites. Pretty amazing. He's never gotten it tangled. And he's never let it fall. He's never let his kite crash. And there he goes, making sure that it stays up.
He always got caught in those bushes down there.
Well, he got the string caught up, yeah. I think he needs to pee. He's like, come on, guys. Skipper Parley, the kite flying puppy. Good boy, Bubba. Good puppy.
He's just clueless to it.
He's having a great time. Here, bub. Let me see. See how, yeah, you got your kite all latched to you. And there it is, all the way up.
Go run and see Josh.
And there it is.
Go get him.
Go see Josh.
Go see Josh.
Go see him.
Go. What is Josh doing? Go on.
Go see him, Skip. Go see.
Go.
Go see.
Go get him. Oh.
Good boy.
He feels his collar going.
Yeah, come here before your collar comes off.
That wind is getting aggressive.
There.
Go see Josh.
Loves his kite. Yeah, loves his kite. Yes. Whoop.